For this video, I am going to teach you how to change the text color of your project in Adobe Express. So the first thing that you need to do is to open it. I have a link in the description down below. So you'll have access to Adobe Express. So then once you are in here, this is what you should see. So on this part, you'll have different tools. You can go for Instagram Square Post and so on. But for this tutorial, I'm going to teach you again how to change the text color of your project. So I'm just going to open a presentation template for mine as an example, as a sample project for this tutorial. So let us open that, and I'm going to select a random template that I can use for this tutorial. So I'm going with the second one right here. And now, all you need to do for it to be able to change the text color of your project is to select that specific text that you want to change the color of. And on the left side part of your screen, these settings will appear. So you can change the text font, the shape of it, add shadows, animations, and so on. So what we are going to do here to change the color is to click onto this fill option. So this will allow you to change the inside part or the color of the inside part of your text. So you can go for the recommended colors page theme. However, if you'd like to use colors that are not in the recommended section, click onto this more colors part and then you'll be able to access this palette right now. So I'm going to change that into blue. Let us try. So as simple as that. That is how you can change the color of your text here in Adobe Express. But if you have outlines or if you want to change the color of the outline of your text, you just need to basically do the same but for the outline part. So let us go for more colors again and select a different color so then you'll see the difference. So that's that. That is how you can change the feel and also the outline of your text. But again, you can also do more here in Adobe. You can even generate text effects if you want to using the generative AI and Adobe apps. But I'm not going to do that now. You can add shadow if you want to. You can add animation and even the text shape of it. So that's basically it. That is how you can change the color of your text in Adobe Express. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.